Global education. Global education.
Hi friends, தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்க எந்த பிரைவேட் காலேஜ் பத்தின தகவல் வேணும்னாலும் அட்மிஷன் வேணும்னாலும் கீழ இருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் ஆர் கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Global education.
Friends, today I have come with important information regarding JEE Main examination 2024. Yes students, the application announcement has been given. So here is a public notice for that. So the joint entrance examination main, JEE Main application has been opened. So students will see the information regarding to that. So I think you all know that the JEE Main exam has two papers. Paper 1, which is for the admission of BE BTech, that is engineering students, and paper 2, which is for the admission of BR and B planning courses. Okay, so the exam will be conducted in two sessions, students. So session 1, it will be held in the month of January, and the session 2, the examination will be held in the month of April. So we'll see the important dates and the official websites where we have to apply for this examination. So this is the information. The application form has been opened from November 1, and the last date for applying for your examination is 30th November. So this is the date you should remember. From 1st November to 30th November, you can apply for your examination. And you can download your admit card 3 days before the actual date of the examination, students. And when will the exam will be conducted? So the examination date has also been tentatively given. It is between 24th January and 1st February of 2024. Okay, and where you can apply for this exam. So they have given two official websites. One is www.npa.ac.in and the other website is jeemain.npa.ac.in. So you can go to any of these two websites and you can apply for your exam. And the declaration of result on the website will be on 12th February of 2024. So these are the information. You have to keep it in mind. The first date is 1st November and the last date for applying the exam is 30th November. And one more information you have to know, students. They have been conducting in two sessions, right? Session 1 and session 2. So you can apply for both sessions now itself. So you can pay the examination fees for both the sessions now, or if you want to apply for only one session, that is for the month of January, you have to apply. You have to pay the fees only for session 1. Okay, and later you can apply for your session 2, and when you can apply for session 2 is again this information will be given in the form of a public notice. Okay, so the application will be reopened again for session 2, and during that time you can go to the official website and you can apply for the session 2, or else if you want you can apply for the both sessions now itself. Okay students, so these are the informations regarding JEE Main examination. So don't forget, just go and apply for your exams. Thank you.
Global
Hi friends,
education.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்க எந்த பிரைவேட் காலேஜ் பத்தின தகவல் வேணும்னாலும் அட்மிஷன் வேணும்னாலும் கீழ இருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் ஆர் கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Global education. Global education.